If you forgot your Apple ID iCloud password, then here is how to reset it quickly and securely. So let's get started. First of all you have to do is open the Settings app from your iPhone's home screen. Once inside the Settings app, all you have to do is tap on your name or Apple ID at the top of your screen and navigate to the Apple ID settings. So let me just tap on my name. Once there, scroll and tap on the Sign In and Security option available there. Once you tap on the Sign In and Security, all you have to do is again scroll down and tap on the Change Passcode option available there. Now firstly enter your iPhone passcode, the one you unlock your iPhone with. Then all you have to do is write down the new password of your Apple ID and confirm it. So that is it. This is how easily you can reset your iPhone Apple ID password. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.